Yeah, hello all. So welcome back to our YouTube channel. So hope you are doing well. So in today's session, I would like to give you a different and a real-time scenario which some of my students faced recently. So
Okay.
here I will give you the scenario and I will upload the solution video later. So meanwhile, I am expecting the solution from your end. So I just would like to observe how many of you can give the solution.
Okay. Okay.
So
Sure.
meanwhile, yeah. So now let me go through the scenario here. See, the scenario is
Hmm.
discount on tax.
Okay. Discount on tax.
Yes. So what it means here is
Hmm.
we have to give the discount on the tax what the customers are paying. So this
Okay.
is what is the requirement from Netherlands, where the
Hmm.
government would like to give 15 percentage as the
Okay.
discount on what the customers are paying as the tax amount. And
Okay.
this is especially to the healthcare sector people.
Hmm.
So those who are working in healthcare sector, to whom the government would like to give 15 percentage as the discount on the tax amount what they are paying. So for
Okay.
which we got the requirement to create the same scenario in SAP. So are you understand?
Yeah, I got it.
Okay. So now let me go through this. See, let us assume the price of the product is 100 rupees
Hmm.
and the tax percentage, let us see MWST for example.
Hmm. Okay.
So the tax percentage is 20 percentage. So how much the customer has to pay? 100 plus 20 percentage on 100 is nothing but 20. So 100 plus
20.
20. So this is the amount the customer has to pay, right? So now,
Okay. Hmm.
as per the government law, those who are belongings to healthcare sector, if the customer is belongs to healthcare sector, to whom
Hmm.
the government would like to give 15 percentage as the benefit, tax benefit on
Okay.
what they are paying. So here they are paying 20 rupees as the tax, right?
Ah.
So on which the government is giving 15 percentage as the tax benefit to healthcare sector people.
Okay.
So here, what is the 15 percentage of 20? 10 percentage is nothing but
And
2 and 5
two,
percentage is nothing but 1. So here 15 percentage is 3.
3.
Okay. So here
Okay.
the other people has to pay 20 rupees as the tax, but the healthcare people they has to pay 17 rupees as the tax.
Okay.
If the invoice is getting generated
Hmm.
to the normal customers, then what will be the invoice amount here? 120. 100 plus 20.
Yes. Yes. 100
And
plus
for
20.
the healthcare people it is
117.
117. So this is what is the requirement.
Okay.
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 So now this is what we have to set up in SAP. See, here many of you may think that if the net value is 100 and previously the MWST tax percentage is 20.
Okay.
So here, why can't we add one more condition record for the healthcare sector people to make them available for only 17 percentage tax. So now 20 percentage has to pay for other people and 17 percentage is for healthcare sector people. So why can't we set up the condition records like this? So this is what is the doubt many of you may get it, but here it's not sure that the government is giving only 15 percentage as the tax benefit to the healthcare sector people. So now it is 15 percentage, but in future it may either become 20 percentage or it may become less also 10 percentage, or the government may not give the discount also to the healthcare people in future in upcoming days.
Okay. Okay.
So here let me tell you one more thing. So how the government means how we will identify if the people are belongings to healthcare sector or not. If the customer place an order, so how the system will identify if the customer is belongs to healthcare sector people or if he is a normal customer. So for which the government has generated one unique number.
Okay.
So here the government generates unique number for all the healthcare sector people.
Mhm.
So if a person belongings to healthcare sector, then he will hold some unique number.
Okay.
Okay. So if customers place with this unique number, for whom we will give 15 percentage as the discount on the tax what they are paying.
Okay.
So this is for which we will set up a new field. We will set up a new G field
Mm.
in SAP.
Oh, jet fields.
Yeah, we'll set up a new G field. But here, as we are working in the standard SAP, we don't have the provision here to set up a new field. While I teach you the ABAP, at the time I will let you know how can we create them. But for now, I will allow you to use one of the fields in the customer master. It may be either customer classification or Nelson ID, whatever it may be. You can use any of these fields to differentiate the healthcare sector people.
Okay.
Okay,
Okay. Okay.
so by using that, I am expecting the solution from your end.
Okay. Sure. Sure.
Yeah, and I will provide you the solution video 2 to 3 days later.
Uh huh.
So meanwhile, let me see how many of you can do it.
Mm.
Okay then. Thank you.
Yeah. Okay.
Bye.
Bye. Bye.